How to fix Google Play Store update error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and now click apps again and here type Play Store, just type play and you will find here you will find Google Play services. Click on it and now click storage and then clear cache, and after that click manage storage and click clear all data, and after that go back and go to Google Play Store and here click force stop and then click storage and clear all data, and that's it. Now just your problem must be fixed. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.